of the ways in which the spine is injured is usually following trauma. Okay, trauma. So, and by trauma I mean basically uh, maybe road traffic accidents. Those are the commonest cause, and then falls from significant heights. So if you, for example, like uh, riding on a motorbike, uh, and then the motorbike gets knocked by another car or another bike, there's a collision, then and you fall off, you're most likely going to fall on your back, and you want to to injure your spine. And therefore, when you are having a motorbike ride, you need to be careful. Maybe you should be able to talk to your rider, or if you're the one riding, to try and avoid um, such kind of situations, because that's the commonest cause of spine trauma that we've seen. Or also, people who work on heights, for example, people who roof, people who climb maybe poles for whatever reason, those are the second commonest causes of spine trauma. People fall from those heights, they land on their on their buttocks, and then they fracture or dislocate the spine. So as far as spine trauma is concerned, those are the two most common causes. However, we also see spine trauma following like contact sports, like people playing heavy contact sports like rugby or football, bad tackles. We also see a few cases of assault. Some people come in with knives in their backs or bottles of beer during bar fights. Yeah, so those are some of the situations which can lead to spine trauma. Uh, However, having said that, the most common, apart from spine trauma, the most common cause of spine issues is basically postural related. So people have back pain. Initially, I talked about the muscles of the spine. So people have what we call mechanical back pain. This pain is coming from the muscles of the spine, which we call paravertebral muscles. And these muscles, basically what is happening is that they are contracting constantly, which we call spasms. Okay? Just imagine you're playing football and you get a muscle pull. You feel so much pain in the thigh. So that same principle is happening in the back, just that the muscles in the back are a bit smaller, so it's not dramatic. It just causes that dull, uncomfortable back pain that people have. And that's the commonest cause of back pain in fairly younger people who have not had spine trauma or who don't have diseases like TB. That's the most common cause of pain. Mechanical back pain is usually, most of the time, is because of poor posture. People take up abnormal postures in offices and stooping or bending backwards, sitting in very uncomfortable seats for over several hours during work, and not being able to change posture adequately. You spend the whole day seated in office. That is really the commonest cause of back pain in young healthy people like perhaps you and me.